Tripura remembers the legacy of Maharaja Bikram Manikya Bahadur on his 79th passing anniversary, widely revered as the architect of modern Tripura, with profound respect and solemn tributes across various locations. TTAADC Chief Executive Member Runiel Debbarma, former CEM Purnachandra Jamatia, alongside Minister Brishaketu Debbarma and several other dignitaries, paid floral tributes at the memorial site to honor the late Maharaja's enduring legacy.
Maharaja Bikram Manikya Bahadur, who ruled the princely state from 1923 to 1947, is universally revered as the architect of modern Tripura. His forward-thinking vision transformed a secluded princely state into a progressive, organized society before its integration with India. The Maharaja passed away under tragic circumstances on May 17, 1947, at a young age of 39. He completely redesigned Agartala in the 1930s, introducing modern town planning, structured roads, and civic infrastructure, safeguarding indigenous rights and land reserves of tribals decades before modern autonomous councils were created. He set up a special reserve for the indigenous tribal population, legally safeguarding their land and cultural heritage. His immense contribution toward modernization, expanding the education system, and securing land rights for the indigenous tribal populations remain undeniable pillars of Tripura's development. To mark the day, a formal tribute ceremony was held at the Royal Crematorium, Rajghat, located in the Bartala area of the capital city. TTAADC Chief Executive Member Runiel Debbarma, former CEM and MDC Purnachandra Jamatia, alongside Member of District Council MDC Debbarma, Minister Brishaketu Debbarma, and several other dignitaries paid floral tributes at a memorial site to honor the late Maharaja's enduring legacy.
Chini High Shal, 17 May 1947, Chini Tripura Hani Maharaja Bikram Manikya Himani. Abonoduk Savina, Sintini Maharaja Bikram ni Shimalongo Faye, Chini Boromgunang CEM, former CEM, Chini MDC so, Joto Singoro Faye, Maharaj no Muito Claye, Maharaj ni Shimalongo, Kumrok Bong like here, they acknowledging Siring Kabatong like here. Tangring Chini Maharaja Bikram, Chini Tripura Hano, Zero Chini Tripura Sarok ni Bagui. Dongmani bagi je sungno thai kalang thamani ei sungno o hao chini sikla rokno srai rokno porenan bagi je education bo Tripura hani krung jagao kalangi thamabai bono sung thamani porebo bono sung hambai riwi kulpaya hani bagi chini 79th bini death anniversary o sung bono muitu khaino tini oro botolawo Chini Maharaja Rogni Simalungo Faye Chini Kumbong like Tripurani Lupuro Sumono Kanyani Musungo Chini Maharaj Song Sung Muito Kanyani Nango Tanga Hinke or Ha Chini Maharaj Song Sunu protect Kai Chini Singo Tong Tani Bagui Orani Nobar Watui Ha no use Kai Chini Usura Shopaka Kai financial Sung Table Chini Maharaj Songni or Boni Zeg Klaik Langmani Shamurogno Sung Muito Kanyani Banta. They clear ya baras hamung no tabu Chini Maharaja Bortoman Chini Maharaja Kishore Manikya Chini Bubagrani Bishimpibo Sung Tripurani Tripura Sarokno Bahike protection Riman as hamung Sung Tabu Klaileto.
Likewise, the legacy of Maharaja Bikram Manikya Bahadur was observed at the Ashram Kami. Present were MDC Suresh Debbarma, MDC Gita Debbarma, MLA Biswajit Kolai, former Minister Mayor Kumar Jamatia, and others.
Chini Anikronor Joton Nukana Mangtham, Chini Maharaja Bikram Manikya, Bo Kaisha Tripurani, Adunik, Yakaba modern architect of King Davusa. Tini Bini 79 death anniversary, Ozorawo Sung Tini Bono Muito Klaye, Bini Bashabutiro, Azorawo Nakebo Debbarma Jamatia Riang Kaiping Molson Manikri. Social Tiprasa, Jotono Ohani Basahai, Sung Sini Bubagrano, Sung Tini, Kabangma Bini, Laibumana Sanathanke Sungsis Habaya. Jetabo Agortolani, Je planning Kemzak, the city, Abu Bini Bishintish Namzak. Taize Agortolani Birkum Nokla, Yakaba Airport, 1947 hai jorao bini second world war jorao chori tongo a jorao no bo snamai kaisa sini desh bidesh gurimani ya bolo bomo haikeno bo kaisa nugui phaikya Tripura hasteni oroni tongko song lukur bo salja mo haikeno thangla ju khanya ni bagai nangnai hini wanchu ne bo airport samjar kobang ma bini nini koila sohor ni nini komalpur diom hai jagal kobang ma airport islamic lamani abosung kokono bogoi thangmaya jinis abo bongnani phan jamani haisi aboni bagai nini bini thimani salo nini songoro bono muitu khayei bono tini khumbok laika.
Similarly, the Remembering Day was observed at TTAADC headquarters Khorang, where a formal tribute was given by MDC Debbarma alongside other MDCs and MLA at the statue of Maharaja Bikram.
Tini joto semano sini Maharaja Bikram Kishore Manikya ini day anniversary 79 ini abunor sayudo ini sara joto jaga no mahkeno sini dara sini bos horo di joto no mahkeno sini de koroksa de sini bubagran bisingo paithak ono sini koroksa bo belaike tamne bono modern architect ni bose bono no dai belaike visionary koroksa sini bubagran no ini bini o dimani salno sing hanyo itu kai tongmolia ba sing bono sing bin mangpuro kai nai sing borom ya kai tongmolia sing abone bagai sing oro kai lekya tini do donoro manjak baikya skai nai sini amchani MLA tongoro sini amchani no sini MDC tongo ang do tini bimanglaka
Maharaja Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur 79 death anniversary amo sini kumulum sini kita sini capital और चीनी बुबाग्रानी और स्टेचू नौतम और मुंबा हमें ऐसा और तंगो चीनी कसम मंत्री respected minister Jamatia by हम सैनी NDC kita Debbarma tay और हेमंत फकिया चीनी हम सैनी नो शिकला बदल President district ni tay Bortoman MDC Borong Jiten Tero Paimanto Pekya Chini Orani Kasam MDC Borong Minister Debbarma tay Jotono Chini Orani Warrior Stroke Prokasong tay Joto Chini Orani Joto leaders of Tongpayo tay Chung Tini actually Sana Thangkai mo Chini Bagai Kaisha Odin Belemu to Kajanan Ko Tini says 79 years in second Chini Bubagra Maharaja Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur Tini mono tal bagai bini timani shano sungtang mapalai. Actually sana thangka bini live bunga belai short time ono have significance. Lalu jotoni siwo chini modern of architect jago botin tiponi modern of architect jago. Namni bagi male bini one sok mani bini je thinang bini je future forecast mo belai keno tam chanai bono belai bini se alada. Gai bo actually komjora ono only 39 years bo baseka. Haipano tini dunia wo chotto jagani bini bumum tongo kaji Tripura bo kasi imang mugi kalang thangmani oi imang rokno tini chung bini je imang rokno wansugui tini chung belai kheno onek somoy khamo onek somoy chung bini je wansukma rokno obok kubi khaiklangne ni bagai chung joton tini sapar bo khai tongo an boi chung tini bini busuk chin Maharaja Kishore Manikya Bahadur bini je tangpai ebarano bo tini tangai ni phaimon bagai chung joton tini thamchani mario chung joton tim loi tongo
Furthermore, similarly, Remembrance Day was observed in different districts across the state. Reported by Amit from Agadla, Chini, Khorang.